Hi, welcome to Creative Nikita Chavda YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing the best Canva photo editing tips and tricks to take your images to the next level. Whether you are editing for social media, YouTube, or business, these hacks will make your designs pop. Let's jump right in. First up, let's remove backgrounds in one click using Canva Pro's background remover tool. Next, let's make your images pop with filters and manual adjustments. Want to add depth? Try the shadow effect for a cool 3D look. Want a professional DSLR look? Let's blur the background for a depth effect. Did you know Canva has a magic eraser tool to remove unwanted objects? Want to make text or objects stand out? Add a cool neon glow effect. Now that your photo is edited, save it in high quality. And that's it. Now you know the best Canva photo editing tips and tricks to take your designs to the next level. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite. See you in the next video.